Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to our basic science class. Last class we are studied about the climbers and creepers. Okay, what is climbers? The plant grow climbing on other plants with the help of spring-like structures, that is called tendrils, and also clinging roots. Next is creepers. Creepers are the plants that growing by creeping on the ground. Okay, it does not consist of tendrils and clinging roots. Okay, now we are going to learn about the diversity in roots. Okay, there are different kinds of roots. Before that, I want to know what is the importance of roots. Okay, root is an important part of a plant. Okay, what is the function of a root? Absorb water and minerals. It is the only function of a root? No. Okay, root help to the support of the plant. Okay, it supports the plant. Now we are going to learn about that. Okay, that means diversity in roots. The first one is prop root. Okay, the first one is prop root. I will show a picture. Okay. Okay, can you see this? Okay, which plant is this? Which plant is this? This is, yes, banyan tree, commonly known as all. Okay, this is prop root. The prop root are, can you see? Okay, this is prop root. Prop root are the roots of banyan tree. Okay, and look at this. The root is grow downward from the aerial branches. Okay, the root, this is the root that grow downward from the aerial branches. That is prop root. So prop root is the roots of banyan tree. Okay, roots of banyan tree. It grow downward. It grow downward from the aerial branches. Grow downward from the which branch? Okay, aerial branches. Okay. What is the function of prop root? It gives support to the plants. Give support to the plants. Support to the plants. So the first root is prop root. Prop root is the root of banyan tree. Banyan tree commonly known as all. And it grows downward from the aerial branches. It gives support to the plant. The next one is stilt root. Next one is stilt root. I will show the picture. Which plant is this? Can you identify? This is screw pine. Screw pine and commonly known as kaida. Okay. So stilt root are the roots of screw pine, commonly known as kaida. The root of screw pine is grow downward from the stem. This is the stem. It grow downward from the stem. Okay. So stilt roots are the roots of screw pine and it grow downward from the stem. Okay. So next is stilt root. Stilt root are the roots of screw pine. Roots of screw pine. Okay, and which grow from the stem downward. Grow downwards. It grow downwards which part? Stem, okay, from stem. It also gives support to the plants. Give support to the plants. Okay, you got it? First one is prop root, that is the root of banyan tree, and stilt root is the root of screw pine, commonly known as kaida, and it grows downward from the stem. It gives support to the plant. Pneumatophore. Before going to the pneumatophore, can you remember that picture? What is this? This is, yes, mangroves. Mangroves are special kinds of plants. Mangroves are special kinds of plants that grow on marshy area. Marshy means chadupu. Okay. Mangroves are special kind of plants that growing on, yes, marshy area. The tip of their root, okay, the tip of their root grow towards the atmosphere. Okay, the tip of that mangroves, the tip of the root of the mangroves grow towards the atmosphere. It helps in gaseous exchange, and that root is called pneumatophore. Okay, so pneumatophore means that is the root of the mangrove. So mangroves are growing on marshy area. Mangroves are growing on marshy area. Okay. Okay, and what is pneumatophore? Yes, the tip of their root, the tip of their root, the tip of their root grow towards where? Towards atmosphere. Grow towards atmosphere. Okay. First one, the mangroves are growing on marshy area. The tip of their root grow towards the atmosphere. It helps in gaseous exchange. It helps in gaseous exchange. Okay. Gaseous exchange. And these roots are called pneumatophore. These roots are called pneumatophore. These roots are called pneumatophore. Okay, I have no space, that's why I am right here. So the last one is pneumatophore. Pneumatophore means it is a special type of root that the mangroves root. The mangroves means they are special kind of plant that growing on marshy area. The tip of their root grow towards the atmosphere. The tip of the root grow towards the atmosphere, and it helps in gaseous exchange. It helps in gaseous exchange, and this roots called pneumatophore. So you got it? The main function of root is to absorb water and minerals, but also it gives support to the plants. The supporting roots are the prop root and stilt root. And what is the function of a pneumatophore? It helps in gaseous exchange. You can revise it. Prop roots are the roots of banyan tree. Banyan tree means all, and it grow downward from aerial branches, means upper branches, and it gives support to the plant. Okay, it gives support to the plants. Next is stilt root. It is the root of screw pine, commonly known as kaida, and it grow downward from the stem part. Okay. The stilt root also gives support to the plants. The last one is pneumatophore, is a special kind of root, roots of mangroves, and mangrove is a special kind of plants growing on marshy area. Marshy means chadup. Okay. The tip of their root grow towards the atmosphere. So the function of the pneumatophore root is, yes, gaseous exchange. So you got it? Okay. Now we can move on to the next topic. And the main function of root is not to absorb water and minerals, also give support. Next special kind of root is storage root. Okay. Next is storage root. Next is storage root. Okay. Storage root means food stored in roots. The food stored in root. Okay. In storage root, the food is stored in root part. Okay. Example, tapioca, carrot, beetroot are example. Okay. These are the examples. Carrot, beetroot, radish are coming under this group. Storage root. Okay. Storage root. Next is underground stem. Next is underground stem. Okay, underground stem means stem is modified into store food. Okay, underground stem means stem is modified into store food. Okay. Example, ginger, turmeric are the example. Example, ginger, turmeric, are the example. So, the next category is storage root. Storage root means food stored in root. Okay. Example, tapioca, beetroot, carrot, radish are also coming under storage root. Next is underground stem. Stem is modified into store food. That is ginger, turmeric are the example. Okay. You got it. So, you have an activity, that is I will give some plants here. Write the plants here. Carrot, beetroot, elephant fruit yam, colocasia, ginger, Chinese potato, arrowroot, tapioca, sweet potato, and turmeric. So, I give some plants here. That means it classified under two groups, that is storage root and underground stem. Storage root and underground stem. Okay. Underground stem. So, different kinds of roots are there. Carrot, beetroot, elephant, foot yam, colocasia, ginger, Chinese potato, arrowroot, tapioca, sweet potato and turmeric. You have to write this on two groups. What are the roots that coming under storage root and what are the roots that coming under underground stem. Write your notebook. Okay. So, today we are learn about the diversity in root. That means the main function of root is not only to absorb water and minerals but also give support, then gaseous exchange, store food like that. The first one is prop root and stilt root. It both give support to the plants. Next is pneumatophore. It helps in gaseous exchange. Then storage root, food stored in root. Next is underground stem. So, you have an activity. Classify this root under two groups, that is storage root and underground stem. Okay, thank you so much. And I think you had understood the concept that we are learned today. Okay, thank you.